Namaste children. We are going to learn today addition of 8. How to add 8 on the abacus. See, this is the ones rod and I set the abacus at 2. This is 2. If you have to add 8, how to add? So always recall the friend of 8. Friend of 8 is 2. Why? Because 2 and 8 combine to make 10. So always friend of 8 is 2 and friend of 2 is 8. Vice versa. So if you have to add 8, so let's 2 add 10. There was 2, I added 8, so it becomes now 10. This is 3. Again, if you have to add 8, let's 2 add 10. So 3 plus 8, 11. So don't forget, this is the formula to add 8. Okay? And let's start the practice of formula first. So as you can do faster. So ones tens, assume this is ones tens, ones tens, ones tens. Okay? So set these all like a 2. So to do practice, set this first. To practice, add 8 is, let's 2 add 10. Add 8 is, let's 2 add 10. Add 2 add 10. Like this. Okay? Now you do this practice. Now let's start the sample question. First of all, the number is 4. Added 4. Add 3. See, you have to memorize all the formula that we had done. All small friend formulas and also the work we had done on the big friend. Everything you have to learn all the formulas so as you can use fluently. So add 3. So add 5. Let's do. See, friend of 3 is also 2. Friend of 8 is also 2. Both. But whenever you have to apply, see, I use the small friend here. You have to add 3. So you have the 5 bit in your hand. Then you will use the small friend formula. Add 5, let's 2. Okay. Now add 8, let's 2, add 10. Let's 4. Add 1, let's 5. This is 11. Okay. Next is 6, 3, add 8, let's 2, add 10. Add it again, let's 2, add 10. So this is 25. Okay. Next is 7, add 2, add 8, let's 2, add 10. Let's 3, add 2, let's 5. Clear? Next. Next is 12, 8. So let's 2, add 10. 5. Let's 3, add 2, let's 5. A small friend formula I used here. Next is 13, 6. Let's 2, add 8. Let's 2, add 10. 25. We did it? Okay. Please do practice. If any doubt, please write in the comment box. I will solve it again. I will tell you again. I will explain you again. And if you like this, please share with your friend and subscribe. Let them subscribe. Recommend them. Okay. Thank you. See you next class. Bye-bye.